Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install the Firefox browser on Huawei P60 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open our app gallery. Right here in the search let's enter Firefox. And here we'll need to download it from a different unofficial website. So click on Get. It should transfer us to the GitHub website, and we want to download this specific version, our MeBuy app file, and you can try others, but this seems to work fine. When it's ready, we can install the app and then open it. Here begin the setup, so choose your favorite theme, pick a toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, change between different privacy protection settings, and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on Start Browsing, open any website, and as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.